Here's how to use the speed controller on the RMM conversion bracket kit. And just make sure to watch this video before you mow to have the best experience. So this controller is pretty straightforward. You have your display here, which is going to show from 0 to 100. That is the percentage of basically the voltage control. So 100 is maxed out, max speed, 0 is obviously nothing. This is your switch for forward and reverse. On this model, it's 2 ticks for forward reel motion for cutting, and then 1 tick for like backwards, backlapping. And then center position is off, so we just leave that off for now. Then this is our knob for controlling the speed. You can see it goes from 0 to 100. And as far as using this, basically anytime you power on the mower, you want to first select the way you're going to go, which is down, and then you want to use the knob to slowly ramp it up. Now it's pretty loud because I don't have any grass to lubricate the reel, so I'm not going to run that really loud right now in here for this demo. But I recommend anytime you power the mower on or off, it's important to always ramp it up with the knob. Don't ramp the knob up and then hit the button, because then it'll hard stop and start, which is pretty tough on the chain and drivetrain to jerk it on and jerk it off. So a smooth start and a smooth stop is better. So make sure to always use that by just keeping this at 0, selecting your position, or I guess the direction of the reel that you want, and then ramping up the speed. Other than that, there's not much to using the speed controller. If you happen to encounter some kind of debris and the reel gets stuck, immediately just turn the knob down to 0. You can go in reverse motion and you can run that, and it'll go the other way, and it can clear whatever is blocking the reel. I'm talking like a twig or something that could be in your yard, which can sometimes cause the reel to lock up if it's big enough. As far as the speed settings for the controller and what speed setting is right for you, that's going to be totally dependent on your height of cut. Generally, just to kind of give some background info on that, the lower height of cut you have, the faster the reel blade will need to spin in order to get a good frequency of clip. When that's dialed in, that really what that's going to do is help you eliminate any washboarding and get the smoothest cut across your lawn. I'm going to make a chart that will show you a general percentage shedding to start with for the different height of cuts, and then you can kind of work from there to dial in what works best for you, because it's going to depend on how fast you want to walk, your grass specifically, but there's definitely going to be a good general starting point, which the chart will help with that, and then you'll need to dial it in on your own for your specific case.